After spending all day at work, all I want to do is come home and breathe clean air. As a dad, the air my family breathes is very important to me, and buying the EnviroKlenz air system was the first step I took to better the air in my home. Now I know I need to change the filters regularly in my EnviroKlenz, but sometimes life gets in the way, right? This is why I signed up for the Auto Refill Program. It automatically delivers the filters to my home at no additional cost, and I also get 20% off all replacement parts. It's simple to sign up. I just went to the website, basically chose my delivery preferences, and let EnviroKlenz worry about the rest. Now I know the filters will arrive at my door when it's time to replace them. I want to do anything I can to have my EnviroKlenz work at its best, so signing up for the Auto Refill Program was an easy choice for me.
Your clean air awaits with EnviroKlenz.